Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to watch F1 on Apple TV. Let's begin. First, make sure your device is updated to the latest version, then open the App Store on your Apple TV, iPhone, or iPad and search for the F1 app. Once you find it, go ahead and install it on your device. After installing the app, the next step is to create an account. F1 TV is a subscription-based service, so don't expect it to be a free streaming app. To subscribe, go to the official F1 TV website and choose a plan that suits you. The pricing usually starts from around $2.99 per month and can go up to $4.99 depending on the plan you select. Once you have subscribed, open the F1 app on your Apple TV and sign in with your account. After logging in, you will find the Formula One section in the app. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Here you can watch race weekends, including practice sessions, qualifying, and full races. As you scroll through the app, you will also find past seasons, highlights, and upcoming race schedules. That's how you can watch F1 on Apple TV. Thanks for watching.